Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are learning 5 daily use English sentences that you can start using in your conversations from today itself. Stay till the end. Let's get started. I'll be there in 5 minutes. मैं 5 मिनट में वहाँ पहुँच जाऊँगा. When to use it. Tell someone you'll arrive shortly. Great for calls or messages. It doesn't matter. कोई बात नहीं. इससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. When to use it. Use this to reassure someone that a mistake or issue isn't a big deal. Let's catch up soon. चलो जल्द ही मिलते हैं. When to use it. Say this to a friend when you want to meet and talk again soon. I have a lot on my plate right now. अभी मेरे पास बहुत सारा काम है. When to use it. Use this idiom to explain that you're very busy at the moment. Take care of yourself. अपना ख्याल रखना. When to use it. A warm way to say goodbye and wish someone well. That's it for today's 5 daily use English sentences. Practice these out loud at least 3 times each. Speaking out loud is what actually builds fluency. Comment below with a sentence of your own using today's phrases. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself.